Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for final exams step by step. Begin by outlining all your subjects and topics. Then, create a realistic 7-day study schedule, dedicating specific time blocks to each subject. Prioritize areas where you feel less confident or those carrying more marks. This structured approach will ensure you cover all necessary material efficiently and reduce last-minute stress. Remember, consistency is key for effective preparation. Now, let's dive into active learning. Don't just passively read. Engage with the material. Utilize active recall methods such as creating flashcards or quizzing yourself. Solving previous year's question papers is crucial. Aim to complete at least 2 full papers per subject. This practice helps you understand the exam pattern and manage your time effectively. Focus on understanding concepts rather than rote memorization for better retention. To maximize your study sessions, adopt effective habits. Incorporate short breaks, about 10 to 15 minutes every hour, to refresh your mind and prevent fatigue. Proper nutrition and at least 8 hours of sleep each night are vital for concentration and memory. Find a quiet, well-lit space free from distractions like your phone or social media. A focused environment significantly boosts productivity and learning efficiency. As the exam day approaches, shift your focus to review. The final day should be for a quick run-through of your notes and key concepts, not for learning new material. Trust the hard work you've put in over the past 7 days. Ensure all your stationery is ready the night before. Approach the exam with a positive mindset and confidence in your preparation. You've got this.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.